If you want to install a support column on your porch or your deck or your carport or anything like that, do consider our compression post anchor base. These are the most concealed versions of support columns that you're going to find on the market. Everything is hidden inside. There's no hint of a blade cut or any side panels, anything like that. You get this beautiful finished look. The only way that, that this is installed is through our patented system, where we drop in one of these hollow tubes, we drill through with a speed bit, catch the actual tube, and then drop in a locking pin right here. This pin actually goes through the post, catches this tube, and it becomes one. And then we screw it down onto this base, which has been secured to concrete or a deck surface, a wood surface, composite surface, whatever you've got, and we tighten the post down. You end up with this kind of a look that conceals everything. And so let's say you've got like a masonry post that's maybe 3 feet high and you want to put wood columns on top of that. You can do that now without having to worry about having these big ugly brackets. You can do it just like that, and it's available in 4x4, 4x6, and 6x6. And be sure to pick up one of these ship augers. This is a 6-inch ship auger. You'll use this to actually bore the hole down. Very, very good tool. You'll tap this down just below the top of the post, the surface of the post, and a common metal speed bit, a 3/8 bit, drill through, and you drop that pin in. And that's how easy it is. You'll get an amazing look. Do consider this if you're trying to build a support column for your deck. Thank you for watching this video. If this was helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. For more in-depth articles or to check out cool new products, visit our blog or our store at DecksGo.com. And be sure to keep an eye out for us on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest.